Alright, came out here Friday after work, try and test out this clone Trex 500 size heli, but it's just, I don't know, it's not working out. So much unbalance in vibration in the blades, so I gotta see what's going on there. It might be just a lot of head slosh, a lot of slop in there, and I tried adjusting the linkages, but now it's probably just way off. Thought it was better, but no. Now I'm going to switch over to the mini Blade 150S. Chopping the grass. A little breezy today. Stunt too. Ooh, it's not a rate there. It's not one. Inverted. First inverted. That is tricky. Stay up high. First inverted. Alright. All the controls are backwards. More time, stay up high. Man, that is different. I get used to reverse directions. Not over me. All right. Let's just fly it around. Keep it in battery too. And right about there, try to do an invert. Oop, yep. I don't know if it's just too windy, but it got a lot of collective down on that. Close. Alright. Far to see that, but I was inverted for a little bit. Check the rate on this, y'all. This pirouette. That's my rate. Got it really slow. Flying around, wind's pushing it. I'm not going to try to do an invert. We'll just fly around, do some regular rolls, flips. Practice those for a while. I'm not getting enough down collective. Too much down. Muscle memory. Gotta get there. Twitchy is wind's fighting it. Helicopter's fighting the wind. Fly it around. Alright, stunt, no stability. Those wires. Upwind. Alright, let's come back to the middle. Come back. Oop, nope, messed that one up. Tail end. Too much collective. Get high. Inverted. Line away from me. Get your heart pumping, man. It's really hitting this wind. Being thrashed. Let's keep it here. Get some pumps. Some rain in the distance. Alright, bring it in. Alright, let's hover the wind pushing like that. Alright, battery's out.